So this kind of definition, we call this as recursive definition. So using this rule, I can produce any number of A's at one. Okay, but you should be careful. After A, I can have purely B's also, right? Is there, right? I have one B, and then this is hiding. You see, I have one B here. Then I have many B's here. So similar pattern B can follow. Similar pattern C can follow. Okay. So I can write something like this. It cannot be right. I'm just giving you directions. I'm not giving you the entire answer. I'm tying up this A with B. Okay. So later what I can do is I can produce one or more B's. Okay. So what you should do is, don't forget it has to be a regular expression. You cannot have more than two letters. Okay. So this question is different from B or C. If you observe carefully, B and C is different from A. So here I'm not thinking in terms of a context-free grammar then converting into a regular grammar, because it is completely different. The question is completely different. Okay. So there is no similarity of A with question number B or C. Okay. So you know relay, right? In a relay, they pass the baton. Right? First fellow runs, he passes the baton. Second fellow takes the baton, he gives the third fellow until the relay race is over. Okay? Same style you should follow here. Because if you look at the example string, the language is A Canesta, B Canesta, C Canesta. So if you look at the example string, A is followed by B, B is followed by C. So by telling the relay example, what I am telling to say is, if you start with A, okay, it should lead to B, and B should lead to C. A should lead to B, A should pass the baton to B, and B should pass the baton to C. Okay, so you have to link them. So here A and B are connected, right? Similarly, you have to link B and C. Okay, so that each root does not have more than two letters. At the same time, what happens is you preserve the sequence. By writing this rule, you are forcing to start with A. Okay? You are forcing to start with A. Yeah. But again, this will not be the right answer, because what happens if you want to have purely B's? This rule will not help, because you cannot eliminate A here. Right? You cannot eliminate A here. Maybe this is how we learn. Maybe, I don't know. This is all trial and error. Try, check whether it works or not. It doesn't work, improvise, try, improvise. So purely trial and error. Okay? So I do like this, then I can replace A with lambda. So I can start with B. Something like this. S derives A, B. So I can replace A with lambda. I can have B. So I can then I put the rule here, B is lambda or BB. So I can expand to B. Okay? But when I put B is BB, I should connect like this, so that I'm passing the baton to C as well. I should link up. I should link A with B, B with C. Okay? So I'm leaving this for you to think and solve it at home. Okay? So please try. As I said, I'm not teaching this the first time. Every semester I say this, students stare at me, but there is a bunch of students who come with the answer. Okay? Yeah. But there's also a group of them tell me, I cannot solve it. Okay? You should take all the effort, try, and then come and tell me I cannot solve it, then I can give you the answer. Okay? Not give you the answer, arrive at the answer and show you. Okay? Simply you start thinking, oh, I'm not difficult, I cannot. Then, as I said, I can give you the answer, but there is no learning. Okay? So go and go back, try home, and then come back and tell me. Okay? Because anyway, this is a assignment 1 task.